Your next car could be the 2020 Toyota RAV4. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, alarm, Bluetooth connection, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take outstanding care of you. Come in for a test drive and meet our professional team.